Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious sweet chili pineapple shrimp. So guys, let's get started. So here I have my shrimp already washed and clean. I have some pineapple juice, garlic and ginger, some sweet chili sauce, some hoisin sauce. I have a mixture of spices here and some green onion and some bell peppers, onions and pineapple, fresh pineapple. Of course you could use whatever seasoning you like. I'll leave a guide of what I use down below so you could go ahead and use it, but feel free to use your favorite spice blend. So I'm going to combine and add some of it to my shrimp, and I'm going to reserve some for later. I'm going to give this a good toss and set this aside to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. We don't need a long time to marinate shrimp. So I'm going to go ahead and combine my sauce. So to a bowl I'm going to add my sweet chili sauce and my hoisin sauce, and I'm going to go ahead and add my pineapple juice. Feel free to taste and adjust. Of course you could use whatever other condiments that you have on hand and want to use it, but these are the ones I'll be using. But the key ingredients, you need the pineapple juice. So to my hot pan I'm just going to go in with some clarified butter. You feel free to use regular butter or olive oil, and I'm going to cook these shrimp for about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. These are some jumbo shrimps, but of course they're going to finish cooking in that sauce, so we don't really want to overcook them. So I'm just going to go again and cook them. I'm going to flip them on the halfway mark, which is about 3 minutes. Allow them to cook. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the heat. Now that these are done, I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the pan, and in that same pan I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my garlic and my ginger paste, and I'm going to saute these for about 40 seconds. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies. Of course you could use whatever veggies you like, and of course you could add some carrots if you like, but these are the ones I'll be using. I'm going to go ahead and saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes. We want them to be nice and tender but still have a little bit of bite to it. We don't want to overcook these. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of my seasoning to season my veggies, and of course you taste and adjust. Now I'm going to go in with some green onion and my fresh pineapple. You want to use fresh pineapple for this, but of course if you have canned pineapple chunks you could go ahead and use it. Now I'm going to go in with my sauce. I'm going to add my sauce, give this a mix, allow this to come to a nice simmer and thicken up for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how saucy you want your shrimps to be. Now I'm just going to go ahead and let this simmer for a bit. You don't want to cover it. You want to leave it uncovered and allow it to simmer and thicken. Now this is the consistency I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead, add my shrimp, toss these in the sauce, and that's it guys. Your shrimp is basically ready. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know if you would try this recipe, and if you do try this recipe you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your creation. Now you could serve this with whatever side you like. You could serve this up with some white rice, some fried rice. The options are endless, and this is perfect for a weeknight dinner. Quick dinner in minutes, and dinner will be on your table. Now guys, that's it my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye bye.